Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Cody with Bartlett Arbor Supply. Today we're going to be showing you how to set up a rescuable base anchor with the ISC D4. This device can be opened up with a carabiner already attached. So here I'm going to anchor that off there, install the rope, and now we're locked off. I'm going to throw an alpine down below it just to ensure that if this rope was to slip in the system, the knot block is actually going to stop it from being able to continue to progress down any further than where the knot is. All right, so we're going to load this system. Abden's going to go up and we're going to actually rescue him from 6-7 foot up. Hey, what's going on up there? You all right? It looks like my colleague Abden's got hurt in the tree. Might have passed out. So from here, all we have to do is take off this carabiner, get our alpine out of there, and I can begin bringing him down. This has a panic feature to where if I was to go too fast or slip, it'll kick out, stop letting him down. I have to reprime the system, and then I can continue to bring him down. Hopefully that helps. Check us out on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, bartlettman.com. Have a good day.